welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how to enable two-factor authentication into your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application, tap to this Binance icon into the top left corner, and from there you just simply have to select your profile and tap to this security section right here. And after tapping into security section, this page will open up, and where you will find this option of 2FA into very top. Now you can select this passkeys or authentication app option. Just simply tap to authenticator app, and after that tap to enable button. And now after tapping in there, Binance will send you a verification code which is 6-digit long into your email address. Just simply check your email box for that code and enter the code into this box. Then tap to submit, and you will get this page right here. Now you just simply have to copy this code from your device and go into your authenticator application at very first. Just simply open authenticator app and copy this 16-digit code into your authenticator. Now that I have added this 16-digit key into my authenticator, I'll tap to next button, and you should do the same. And now after that, you just simply have to get the 6-digit code from the authenticator application and paste that into this box. Just simply do that, and after that tap to submit button. Now after doing this, your authenticator app will successfully be set up and your 2FA will be enabled. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.